digestive system is nothing but they have a major role importance in our human body. They have a 12 organ system present in the human body, digestive system and circulatory system and reproduction system. Today I am talking about only for human digestive system. Human digestive system is nothing but the processing of breakdown of food into the small particles can be absorbed by the cells. So this is called by the digestive system. Digestive system they have a connective tissue for the mouth to hand system. So digestive systems is also known of the human alimentary canals. So are also called by the digestive systems. They have a mouth and digestive system tract is present in the human body. Mouth, pharynx, appendages, and they have a 12 process present in the digestive systems. So next is six functions of the digestive system. So they have a first injection, and the second one is digestion, and the third one is absorption, and the fourth one is extraction. So first one is injection is nothing but intake the food. Through entire the food is intake in the mouth. So these are whatever any carbohydrate, protein and the fats. Carbohydrate is nothing but monosaccharides enzymes is break down the food particles, and the second one is protein. Protein is examples are non-veg and whatever any foods are intaken. So these are enzymes is sacrificed in the amino acid, and the second one is lipids. Lipids is also converted into the protein, and finally fat. So fat is nothing but fatty acid. So it is converted into the small particles, and enzyme is using for the small particles. It is the amino acid or fatty acid. So these are the injection, and the second one is digestion. Digestion is nothing but break down the food into the by the nutritions of the every cells, and the second one is absorption. Absorption is nothing but intake of the nutritions, and every cells or every blood smear is separations of the proteins or nutritions, and the second finally is the extraction. Extraction is nothing but through entire the food wastage is exited by the extractions. So next one is stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, colony, and finally anus. So first one is mouth. Mouth is nothing but intake the food, and the second one is esophagus. Esophagus is nothing but mixed with the buccal cavities, and next processing is the esophagus. Esophagus is nothing but mixed with the juices and the digestive system. They have a esophagus. Esophagus it is the large tube connected thin layer are present in the esophagus, and the second and the third one is the stomach. Stomach is nothing but storages of the food materials, whatever nutritions and the protein, fat, oils is more than food area storing in the stomach, and the small intestine is nothing but through entry the food is stored by the small intestine and absorbed by the nutrition, minerals and the vitamins, and the second and large intestine is nothing but unwanted food, indigestions food are removed in the large intestine, and the liver and the pancreas these are both are the pancreas juices, liver juices and pancreas juices, these both are juices are secreted in the digestive system, and the gallbladder is nothing but there are minute organs are presented, and next one is colon and also juices are secretions, and the anus is nothing but through entire the body unwanted digestive food are included in the anus. So next one is mouth. So mouth is nothing but started of the digestive system. The mouth helps the breakdown of the food particles. So through entire the food is the small particles is converted into the simple food. First one is you learn by the simple food. These are the carbohydrate, protein and the fat are here simple food. These are the complex food and they converted into the simple food. So these are the mouth is produced by the saliva. So mouth intake the secretions of the saliva, which is the breakdown of the chemicals in the food of the which help make the food mostly of the easily to swallow. So minute particles is swallowed by them easily converted into the next processing of the esophagus. Esophagus is nothing but long and thin layered mucus tube connected in the pharynx to the stomach. So esophagus, pharynx is next one between connected by the esophagus. Food and the fluid and divided through the esophagus into the stomach. Esophagally and really provides control of the stomach from the following back into the esophagus of the throat. So next processing of the stomach. Stomach is nothing but storages of the nutritions, vitamins and the minerals. So three processing daily routine intake the food area storages by the stomach. Stomach is nothing but muscular sac like that between the esophagus and the small intestine. So esophagus connected with the small intestine in the upper abdomen. The stomach releases of the acid and enzymes for the chemical breakdown of the food. It can be also expanded of the temporarily storage the food. So stomach is the main major importance of the storages of the food, and the importance of the crushing food into the presently that the easier to digest for the rest of the body stream. So next processing is nothing but small intestine. Small intestine is nothing but through entire the food is stored by the stomach. Is next processing is the small intestine. Small intestine is the absorbed by the 90%. So stomach comparatively, it is the 90% nutrition from the food we eat. Small intestine is called by the small because of the diameter and the width for the tube is much less than the large intestine. And the next, the small intestine is the locations in the body where the majority of the nutrition from the indigested food of the absorbed digested food is passing through of the wall of the intestine into the which is distributed by the nutrition first in the liver and then through rest of the body. So next processing in the large intestine. Large intestine is nothing but through entire the food is the converted into the indigested food. Is the major main role important of the indigestion food and removed by the large intestine. So large intestine is nothing but a little failure of the little smaller than the small intestine, and the reformance of the little take the absorptions water and the vitamins. So only large intestine is absorptions of the vitamins and the vitamins is only the absorptions. As your body takes big water of the sleeves water product and behind that this became the air and the hand of is easier for the body get rid of them. So next processing is nothing but liver. Liver is play of the role. It is the main importance of the digestion, slow the productions of the bile. So daily routine intake the food is stored by the pile of the processor. Is the pile travels slow by the pile tank and released into the denominatum and it is the investigations and the large masses of the fat, and next is the fat made by the bile and the turn of the large clumps for the fat into the smaller pieces that have a more surface area and therefore of the easier for the body of the digested. So next is the pancreas. Pancreas is nothing but pancreas is juices or secretions in the part of main organs, part of the digestive system and the production of important enzymes and hormones with the help of the breakdown the food. So food is the small particles and the minute particles breakdown is the main major role in the pancreas. These enzymes are digestive juices produced by the pancreas are secreted into the small intestine and the further breakdown of the after this left out the stomach is as an endocrine functions because the releases of the juices and directly into the blood serum and the hair cells. Though hair pancreas is the main major role important is the breakdown of the food and the juices are secretion directly in the separated of the cells and the blood. So next one is gallbladder. Gallbladder is nothing but large storage, small storage is organ located in the inferior and posterior to the liver, hold while the produced into the liver until is needed to the presenting fatty food into the titanium for the small intestine. When the food enters the small intestine and the hormones called the cholecystikin and released the signaling and gallbladder to contact of the secretions while into the small intestine through the common of the bile duct. Bile duct is very important of the small storages organ is the present. So next one is colony. Colony is nothing but as known as the large intestine, liquid and salt removed of the water. So colony is the main major role importance of the salt or liquid solutions are removed by the colonies is called by the colonies. Get right the food left over and after nutrients are removed from the bacteria and the other stages. So colonies is the main major bacteria and liquid and salt. So these are the removed in digestion food are removed. So next processing anus. So these are the main major role importance in human body digestive system. Anus is nothing but unwanted foods are removed. Total entire the body daily routine is taken by carbohydrate, protein or fat. So these are the proteins are carbohydrate. So these are food and totally removed into the anus. Anus is nothing but opening at the far end of the digestive tract, which is the stool of the leaves of the body act like the gate or the hollow the waste to exit of the body. So next we are learning by human digestive system. Human digestive systems first one is pods and three main major role of the functions. So these are the main role importance in human body.